Engine. Engine is a machine that converts a form of energy, such as chemical, heat, or electrical, into mechanical energy to produce motion or do work. 4 types of engines: diesel, petrol, electric, hybrid or gas. What is a two-stroke engine? A two-stroke engine is a type of internal combustion engine that completes its power cycle, intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust, in just 2 piston strokes, 1 up, 1 down, and 1 crankshaft revolution, rather than the 4 strokes of a 4-stroke engine. What is a 4-stroke engine? A 4-stroke engine is a type of internal combustion engine that completes a power cycle in 4 distinct piston movements, or strokes: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. This cycle transforms fuel into mechanical power, with each stroke serving a specific function to produce smooth and efficient operation.